Hey dear friends, welcome back to Memory Reader. Today we are going to meet two very special pals in Snail and Worm by Tina Kugler. These two are going on an adventure and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Have you ever had a best friend who always makes things more fun? Well, Snail and Worm are about to show us just how great friendship can be. Let's dive in and see what they're up to. If you love fun, friendship and exciting adventures, be sure to like and subscribe for more great stories. Snail and Worm by Tina Kugler. Meet my friend. Hello, want to play? Let's play. Tag, you're it. Can you catch me? No. Ready, set, go. Catch me. I win. I'm fast. You are slow. Hello, are you talking to a rock? A rock? That rock is Bob. Hi Bob, this stick is Anne. How do you do? Do you want to play? Yes, I want to play. Anne, you are it. Snail's adventure. Wow, look at that tall tower. Wow. Look at that tall flower. That is a tall flower. I want to be tall too. I wish I could climb to the top of that flower. Do you think I can? I am so small. The flower is very tall. You can do it. Okay, I will try. Will you watch me? Yes, I will watch you. Here I go. You can do it! You can climb that tall flower. Wow! I can see so much more. Wow! I can see so much from up here. Wow! They look like ants down there. Wow! I can see my house. I did it! Are you proud of me? I am very proud of you. Now, how do I get down? Meet my pet. My pet is lost. Will you help me find my pet? Yes, I will help. What does your pet look like? Well, he has legs. Is he a spider? Spiders have legs. He is big and flurry. Spiders are big. Spiders are flurry. He is brown. I bet he's a spider. He has sharp teeth. Oh my, he must be a spider. Oh, here he comes. Spider. This is Sam. He is nice. Oh, that is a big spider. I'm glad he's nice. Thank you for helping me find him. Hey, here comes my pet. His name is Rex. Oh, hello Rex. Rex is a good dog. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure he is very good. I have to take Rex for a walk now. Follow me, boy. What a sweet adventure. Snail and Worm really showed us how important it is to stick together and have fun with your best friend, no matter what. What's your favorite thing to do with your best friend? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed Snail and Worm's adventure, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Have fun!